There are times where ChatGPT is under maintenance and we have no choice but to wait until the system restores. But we have some solutions to that. Welcome to today's video where we explore the top alternatives to ChatGPT, the popular conversational AI model. While ChatGPT has been widely used and highly regarded, several other AI models have emerged as strong competitors in the field. Let's dive in and discover 3 noteworthy alternatives. Our first alternative is Microsoft's Dialog GPT. Developed by Microsoft Research, Dialog GPT is a large-scale language model designed specifically for conversational agents. It builds upon the powerful GPT architecture, incorporating innovative techniques to improve its conversational abilities. Dialog GPT has been fine-tuned using vast amounts of dialogue data, allowing it to generate coherent and contextually relevant responses. Its ability to understand and maintain conversation flow makes it an impressive choice for interactive and engaging dialogue systems. Next up, we have OpenAI's ChatGPT+. OpenAI, the organization behind ChatGPT, has recognized the need to enhance its capabilities further. With ChatGPT+, OpenAI has introduced reinforcement learning from human feedback, RLHF, during the fine-tuning process. This approach involves providing human evaluators with model-generated responses and using their feedback to improve the model's behavior. By incorporating RLHF, ChatGPT+ ensures safer and higher quality outputs, reducing the occurrence of harmful or untruthful responses. Moving on to our third alternative, we have Facebook's Blender. Developed by Facebook AI, Blender represents a significant advancement in conversational AI. It combines dialogue models with large-scale pre-training and reinforcement learning from human feedback, resulting in a more dynamic and engaging conversational experience. Blender has been trained on a diverse range of internet conversations, enabling it to generate contextually appropriate responses across various domains. Its ability to understand nuanced prompts and provide coherent answers has garnered attention within the research community. These 3 alternatives, Dialog GPT, ChatGPT+, and Blender, stand out as notable alternatives to ChatGPT. While ChatGPT has undoubtedly made significant contributions to the field, it's essential to explore and embrace the advancements that other models bring to the table. Each alternative we discussed today showcases unique strengths. Dialog GPT's focus on dialogue modeling, ChatGPT+'s reinforcement learning from human feedback, and Blender's combination of pre-training and RLHF all contribute to their effectiveness in generating high-quality responses. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the best alternatives to ChatGPT. Remember, the landscape of AI models is continuously evolving, so staying up to date with the latest advancements will help you make informed decisions. Keep exploring and experimenting with these alternatives to enhance your conversational AI experiences. Until next time,